Hello and welcome to KLM Institute. Today, we're exploring how Python, one of the most popular programming languages, is making its mark in mobile app development. With its versatility and ease of use, Python has become a go-to language for developers creating apps that fit right in your pocket. Let's dive into the benefits and applications of Python in mobile app development. Why Python for mobile apps? Python's simplicity and readability make it an attractive choice for mobile app development, especially for developers who prioritize fast prototyping and clean code. Although traditionally used in web development and data science, Python has found its place in mobile development through frameworks like Kivy and BeeWare. These tools allow developers to create cross-platform apps that run on both iOS and Android with a single codebase, saving time and effort. Python frameworks. Transforming mobile development. Kivy and BeeWare are two of the main frameworks enabling Python developers to create mobile apps. Kivy provides a flexible toolkit for building multi-touch applications, making it ideal for apps with interactive and dynamic interfaces. BeeWare, on the other hand, offers tools that let developers write native user interfaces for mobile and desktop apps. These frameworks empower Python developers to enter the mobile market without having to learn entirely new languages like Swift or Kotlin. Benefits for developers. Python's extensive library support and active community make it easier for developers to find resources, troubleshoot issues, and expand app functionality with pre-built modules. From integrating APIs to managing databases, Python libraries simplify complex tasks, allowing developers to focus more on creativity and user experience. Additionally, Python's compatibility with back-end frameworks like Flask and Django makes it suitable for apps that require real-time data or advanced server-side functionality. Python in emerging mobile tech, AI, and machine learning. Python is especially powerful in apps that utilize AI or machine learning. Many Python libraries, such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, support machine learning functions, enabling developers to add features like image recognition, language processing, and predictive analytics to their mobile apps. These advanced capabilities allow developers to build smarter, more adaptive applications that provide a unique user experience. Challenges and the future of Python in mobile apps. While Python has made strides in mobile app development, there are challenges, such as lower performance in graphics-heavy applications. However, with continuous improvements and evolving frameworks, Python is expanding its capabilities on mobile platforms. The future of Python in mobile development looks promising as tools become more optimized and developers continue to push the boundaries of what Python can do on mobile devices. Thank you for joining KLM Institute to explore the role of Python in mobile app development. Python's versatility is opening new doors for developers and bringing powerful apps to our fingertips. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KLM Institute for insights on programming, technology, and innovation. See you next time, and keep coding.